Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how we can have the yesterday high and low, monthly high and low automatically plotted on the upstox charts. See, most of us use customized indicators from TradingView library for such data to be automatically plotted on the charts. So rather than switching time frames and manually placing line levels, right? So however, now on the upstox charts itself, we can have it plotted automatically with the help of the indicators available within the upstox indicator library. Let's begin with it. First, open your upstox chart. Now, many would think that this option would be available under the TradingView platform feature which they have recently launched, but actually it is available on the default charts too. Now let's say you want to plot yesterday daily high and yesterday daily low levels on the chart. Simply click on the indicators library from the top panel. In the search area, enter the term pivot level. And from the results, you can see there's pivot level daily. Click on it and it will add a CPR pivot level indicator on your chart. Now, go on to the settings of the indicator and under the styles tab, you can see all the plottings on the chart available. Now go to the option you need. If you need the CPR levels too, you can keep it as it is, or you can just disable these levels by unchecking the boxes. And then to just have plotted the previous day high and previous day low, turn on these respective boxes. Now let's have the data plotted in solid line instead of circles by selecting from the drop down list here. Now I will select the red color for yesterday high and green color for yesterday low. Of course, you can select as per your requirements. And once all that styling is done, we'll click on OK button on the bottom side. And that's it. You get previous day high and low plotted for the 5 minutes time frame. Similarly, let's say you need to plot the previous month's high and low. For this too, we will follow the same process, but with a different indicator. That is, go to the indicators library and enter pivot level. From the options, select pivot level high monthly. Then in the indicator settings window under the styles section, turn off the CPR and monthly BC and TC levels. Now note, here you can see the high and low data being plotted. Even though there isn't any mentioning of the term previous month high low, this option by default plots last month's highest high and lowest low data. We'll quickly update the settings of the plottings to match my preferences and the colors of both the line. And once that's done, we'll click on OK, and that's it. Now you get the previous month's high and previous month's low data automatically plotted on your charts, saving you time from switching time frames and manually plotting levels and all. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching till now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Press the like button if you really found this video helpful, and see you in the next video. Thank you.